I chose Northern for their diesel program because I heard it's unmatched, and since I've been here, they've proved that.
Well, I decided I was good mechanically, and I figured that if I was going to go somewhere, I might as well go to the best school in the nation.
And becoming one of the best schools in the nation does not happen on its own. MSU Northern has developed a professional preparation program that covers not only diesel technology, but an array of related fields, most with certified 2-year and 4-year degree options. Courses cover automotive, business, agriculture, ag mechanics, welding, drafting, and civil engineering, all designed to meet an ever-growing need. Beyond the technical aspect, Northern offers programs in arts and sciences, nursing, and education.
We really searched the nation for potential partners who represented cutting-edge industry foundational skills in their programming and kept coming back to Northern and their reputation. And we're very, very excited, very, very honored to have an opportunity to partner with an institution with the reputation and background of Montana State University Northern.
The MSU Northern program is one of the very few 4-year programs in the country.
The college here has provided such an excellent program.
Currently I'm studying 3 associate's degrees in automotive, diesel, and ag mechanics, and I hope to pursue diesel further to a bachelor's degree.
We pride ourselves in that the information we give to our technicians is relevant, and they can just go right from our classes right into the workforce.
They can get an associate degree or they can get a bachelor's degree. I always encourage them to continue that education. That bachelor's degree over time will pay off for them monetarily, and also give them opportunities and options as they go through their careers.
You have to have the education to have a lifelong career.
One of the advantages of our 4-year program is that students do have additional opportunities to learn presentation skills, some more analytic skills.
They're great at troubleshooting. That's what we really like in our industry, because not everything is on a computer.
We look at the basic inline pumps, rotary distributor pumps, and we move into injectors, into the electronic controlled engines and fuel management systems.
And they're going to get CAD experience, CAM experience, computer-aided manufacturing, and of course the chance to run both a CNC lathe and a CNC mill.
Everything about fuel systems, hydraulics, anything that's on a farm or a ranch.
Fuel management and computerized circuits leading into the computer-controlled injection. And then towards the end of the semester, we'll be dealing with emissions and leading into the biofuels.
The thing that turned me on to come here was more of the lab time and the hands-on experience.
We're always upgrading our equipment, so you get anywhere from old mechanical engines to brand new fully electronic engines to work on. Trannies, trucks, we get the taste of everything here.
And the equipment doesn't stop there. MSU Northern's facility includes numerous industry trainers, vehicles, and real-world tools.
As we engaged in higher technologies, we built a building, an Applied Technology Center, that elevated our capabilities. With that came industry looking at us to do things for them. And through that, we developed a Bioenergy Innovation and Testing Center. And the research has to do with engine performance and emissions testing.
Here at the Bioenergy Innovation and Testing Center, students, they're going to have a more comprehensive understanding, not only on the mechanical part, again on the chemistry, the emission, and how to make alternative fuel like biodiesel. They have a hands-on experience on how to characterize and analyze biodiesel. We also do research-based training.
An education from Northern gives students all the right skills to succeed.
Your core university curriculum, math, science, English, is also a requirement of the program, really helps to round you out.
It's a fact that most employees don't lose their jobs because they don't know how to do the work or they don't know their technology. A lot of them get into difficulty on the job because they can't communicate well, and that limits their advancement and limits their paycheck too.
They have a good business program to tie in with the diesel program, and the combination of those two is very strongly needed in our business.
Well, really, in the 4-year program gives the student the roundedness of the administrative side of our business, really understand costs and technical reporting and understanding how to deal with people and the social aspects of what it takes to become an equipment manager in the future.
Really think about the marketing and the business side of things. It's just going to make you that much more valuable in today's market. That's really what sets the guys apart that come to work with us.
Depth of relevant education, modern technology, research and development labs. Just a few of the many advantages MSU Northern shares with larger campuses. Northern's distinctive size has additional benefits too.
It's so nice when you go to class and it's more like a family there instead of just a bunch of strangers.
In terms of the student-faculty ratio, students get a tremendous amount of one-on-one.
You get to know your teachers a lot better. You're not just like a number like you are at a big college.
I can actually go to my teacher and talk to him, and he can actually help me out.
I like the small town, and I really like the small campus where you can know your professors by name and they are there to help you.
Northern's formula works. Students thrive in the well-designed programs and appreciate the small campus environment. But employers, they look at the end result.
I look at the quality and the education and the knowledge that graduates come out of their program with, and I'm thoroughly impressed. It's going to enable you to hit the ground running.
The ability to hit the ground running with the knowledge to not only maintain and repair diesel technology, but to coordinate, market, and manage. Being armed with these distinct advantages is just another reason businesses seek out and hire MSU Northern graduates.